Hi, I'm Emma. I'm the Group Sales Director here at IQ and I've been here for about 8 years. I think my favourite thing when talking to clients is more finding out what it is they want. I like the fact that our projects and clients are different each time. The good news is we have such a sort of breadth of knowledge and product here, so it's quite useful. I do particularly like the oversized sash at the front, and that's a product that, especially with some of the key architectural practices that we work with, if we can find a way to design a building with a big oversized sliding sash, I think it's really impressive. The aftercare team here are really dedicated to making sure that the quality of what we're installing is correct and long lasting. They're a really lovely group of people. We've invested heavily as a business in making sure that we've got the right number of people and the right people in those roles. I think it's very unusual to have a business where an aftercare team dealing with potential issues at the end of the project are so well respected and well liked by our clients, and it's nice to see that their hard work and dedication is reflected in the reviews we get from clients. I love what we do. I think at IQ Glass we work on such a range of projects. Our clients are really interesting, and every project's different, so whenever you think you know it all, there's always more to learn, which I like.